Today I will show you how to set up multiple desktop instances, which will allow you to stay more organized and keep your windows neatly resized. So in this example, I have my job searching windows open. As you can see, I have Microsoft Word with my web browser on the left side and multiple tabs inside of them. I am able to minimize quickly and maximize quickly. By pressing the Windows key and holding D on your keyboard will allow you to hide your windows instantly and also have them reappear again. Let's say I want to use my social media now and I want to upload some pictures. Well, now this is totally different than my job search. While this is a way that most of you have probably used your windows, you can most definitely split them in half, as you can see. But this is not the best way. As you notice, we have all our windows in one single view. This can be a little disorganized and can confuse you. So to better stay organized, let's hold the Windows key and press Tab. Now notice on the bottom, we have an option to create a new desktop. We're going to drag the specific windows that we want on that desktop. And now we switch over. And as you can see, we've kept it separately. It means that we're able to quickly switch over to our other instance of the desktop. Here we can also split our windows. You can drag with your mouse to any side of the screen, or you can hold the Windows key and use your arrow keys to more accurately position your window. Since we only have one other window, the placeholder tells you that this is the specific area this window will take up. Now what we can do is also adjust these windows by placing a cursor in the center in between both of them, holding the left mouse button and dragging left or right. This will adjust the windows evenly. Notice that we can now switch between our different desktop instances and keep ourselves and our tasks organized. We can work on multiple things at the same time without getting confused. You have just learned how to create multiple desktop instances. I want to thank you for watching till the end. As this channel is brand new, your support is essential to bring this channel to life. Please vote, comment, and subscribe. If you have something you would like me to cover next, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again. Hope to see you soon.